today we have had a very smooth transition of the Sarpanch of Pomburpa Olaulim village panchayat, by which our Sonia has been elected the Sarpanch, and this was an issue which we had right from the beginning, where it was agreed mutually that there will be a tenure for Leopoldine, and followed by Sonia would take over. This is an arrangement which the entire body has been in agreement right from the beginning, and I'm happy that things have worked out. Ite amche panchayat bore काम करतात, they take up issues very well, and they do take up causes of the people. So I'm glad and I welcome Sonia as the new Sarpanch of Pomburpa. I congratulate Sonia for taking charge, and I pray that she has a good and a successful tenure, and she has the blessings of the Almighty to carry on the good work which was commenced by Leopoldina, and which now Baton she has taken over. कित्याक आमगे बरे पंचायत मेंबर आहात तेन्ना आनी बरे सरपंच आहात तेन्ना लोकांचें काम बरें जाता, नाजाल्यार लोक कंप्लेन करता. बारीक बारीक हांव जाणा सगळ्यांचें काम थोडे पाटी जायना, कित्याक थोडे पाटी NOC हेगे जाय तेगे जाय, म्हूण आमचे पंचायत पॉझिटिव्ह मायंडेड आसात, लोकांचें चिंतात आनी लोकांचें बरें करून सोदतात. देखून हांव खूश आहा, सगळे एकठांय आसात, सगळे वांगडा येयले आनी बरें काम करतले म्हूण म्हाका पासून होप आसा की सोने बरें करून चलयतली पंचायत. थँक्यू वेरी मच.
Especially thanks to sir for making time and being here with us for this small occasion of us. First of all, I would like to thank also all my Panch members who have stood besides me and made me the Sarpanch today. Whatever term I have taken, we have been decided this first only by all the members. Accordingly, the term is given to me. Next, it will be handed over to Maria. So this was the mutual understanding between all of the members, all the Panch members. And secondly, with consideration with the sir also, we had spoken to sir also with regards to this. I am thankful to all the members that I am been elected as a Sarpanch. I will do my best for this village and in whatever ways I could. Thanks to everybody.